The fuck？Hello， 有听到我声音吗？我刚 OBS 跳掉了。Oh my god！ 来啊！哈哈，没有，我看 OBS 跳掉啊。一出来就升级。他自己跳掉不关我的事哦。我什么都没按，我真的什么都没按。我想要练一点其他的东西。诱发物，现在再装个诱发物好不好？我还可以再装个绿色突变诱发物吗？现在都是加红色的5%攻击力。我没有红色的那个诱发物可以用，所以很可惜。对啊，很可惜。交换一下，好，这样就可以了。我又加10%攻击力，看一下现在是584嘛，10%攻击加上去之后变成607，非常好。法印强度没变，因为两边都有加到，非常好，我的非常好。非常好啊，非常好！我刚刚是练到这个连续放出火流，维护，我觉得这个好用，超好用。这个可以直接点阿尔印，还在啊？没声音吗？没声音，没有听到我声音吗 ？The fuck？Hello？ 有啊，我在啊，嗨，我在 ，I'm here。哦，我在，我一直都在，我在你们的心里。我想要解这个，感觉蛮屌的。咚哦，攻击力加了 ，Thanks God， 等级16那我是不是可以装一些装备了，对不对？我看一下工艺，我记得刚刚有东西可以装武器，是不是？就是这个，但是算了，它是中量级，不要。走。好，陶律师。
Finally. Took long enough.
Did you have time to look around? How's the ship?
他的手
Freaky piece of junk.
他的手怎么还在烧啊？
Sails are prone to rip like an old pair of knickers, and the.
Will we make it to Kavir?
Provided you don't run into any storms.
I'll signal the others to come.
他的手着火了。
Need any help?
改啦。
I play the violin for you. Fetch some flowers or.
你的就改啦。What the hell is that? 哦，我懂了，他是在说我跟特丽斯的事情。
What the hell's that mean?
What the
Don't
hell's
tell
that
me
mean?
you don't plan to beg her to stay.
Why do you even care?
I adore love stories, especially the ones that end happily ever after.
都是。
Hunters! Hunters approaching!
Board the ship. We want them alive.
好，刚好测试一下。
Bloody blasted like a cat.
好痛！妈妈她打我，我决定要烧死你们！好打好痛哦！ 帅啦！我看错了。来，帮我补血，快点！帮我补血，补都补，补都可以补。刚你们有看到吗？特丽斯的招式好帅啊！哇，超强他看到背后直接砍他一下就死掉了。
No time for courtesies, my dear. Get on board.
迪克斯特超强啊，等级超高的。
Thank you. I'll never forget what you did for me.
青蛙
And what we had together.
Kiss me, dear. 我很希望他留下来，可是我真的不知道这个时候该怎么做。我是应该成全他呢，还是留下来，或者我跟你走？
Stay with me.
Geralt, not this again. Especially not here. Not now.
Miss Marigold, we got a sail.
Please.
We had our chance. But let it go.
Let's try again.
I don't have the strength to try. If I was sure it would work.
拜托你不
Miss
要走！
Marigold, we're casting off.
拜托你不要走！我们能说出口的那一句话，就是我爱你。就算不能陪在你的身边。
Well, mate, at least you tried. A sorcerer's turned me down once. Want to hear the story?
No 烦呢、
Why the hell you care about my relationship?
害我想到一些事情。
If I say it's because I like you, want what's best for you, would you believe me?
No.
No
Wise. You should stay out of politics. I know it, you know it, and Trish knows it, which is not insignificant. Your other lover, not so much. She's cuddled up to Nilfgaard, and you'll follow her as always. And one day, we might find ourselves on opposite sides of the barricade. It'd be a damn shame. But that seems a distant future to me. Right now, we should talk about the more immediate.
可是我是想要跟特丽斯在一起的呢。
Turn around.
Not in the mood for jokes.
No, I'm serious. Turn around.
不会吧？他没走。特丽斯，
Triss? I thought...
该不是变形怪吧？
So did I. But I changed my mind.
等，他的那个不一样还是我错觉？是他的衣服长得不一样啊？那不重要，重点是他回来了。Thank you。第二个选项也太贱了吧？怎么可以讲啊？Thank you.
Thank you. I'm grateful.
Dijkstra, no offense, but
Leaving. Already gone.
let's go somewhere. I know a spot where we can watch the ships.
他回来了，我好开心哦！好希望你回来。Yes, I do. I do wish you come back. Because I love you， 跟自己在唱歌。这段我还是安静一点好了。
They're safe now, right?
Yes, you can stop worrying, really.
Oh, you're right. Just hard to believe it's over and done
感觉
with.
怪怪的，感觉怪什么？
I've dreamt of this moment for months.
我们可能要在那个晚大概半个小时 才可以按下这个选项，因为我觉得可能等一下的选项就会，我的频道已经有设18禁了，所以我现实中做不到的事情，我希望在游戏里面至少能够圆满。
Is how you imagined things?
No. I imagined I'd be on the ship with the rest of them, and you'd be on shore, waving a handkerchief, maybe.
I hope you don't regret it, that things have gone differently.
Well, they say Kavir's lovely this time of year, but I prefer you.
Not surprised. I'm pretty lovely this time of year, too.
他讲这种话
Disagree.
不会害羞哦。
We might still go there one day, when it's all over.
我觉得这一段的故事我真的很喜欢，还好刚刚断掉了，然后就可以把这一段特别的揭露出来。你真的国中快毕业吗？如果是真的的话，那还是不要看啊，毕竟这款游戏当初我有设定18禁，我的频道我有设18禁，如果你真的是的话，I'll sue you.
That would mean balls and banquets, and other boring things that start with a B.
But also baths, bombs, body massages. You can make up for all those years you slept in the bushes and bathed in mountain streams.
Sounds tempting. Would I have to give up being a witcher?
No, you'd take a monster contract from time to time to stay sharp. Nothing too dangerous, though, so I wouldn't have to worry. And I'd be waiting for you.
Let me guess.
他会在家
With a candlelit dinner?
等我。
Candles, sure. And a bed. Actually, we've never needed either.
Oh yeah. Yes. That's what I'm talking about.
Look, they're signaling us. It's a message.
是真的信号吗？还是只是不小心？
L A K B
哈卡巴，哈，
Lakba.
拉个吧。
Makes no sense.
It's code. What did you expect?
这是真的是密码吗？还只是他的屁股去 A 到灯火？我觉得这两个人想太多了。啊 ，nice，好开心，好开
Thank
心。
you, Geralt, for this. And for what you said at the port.
I should have said it long ago.
So, what happens now? Afraid it's a bit too early for happily ever after.
I've got to find Ciri. I'm close.
该做的事情还是得做，
Or someone who knows what happened to her.
但是
Where will we meet?
Can only think of one place where both witchers and sorceresses are
我
welcome.
还是会回来接你的。
Cairnwarren. Haven't been there in a while. So, I guess I'll see you, Witcher. I'll miss you. A lot.
I'll miss you too.
Yes. 哒哒 哒哒哒，成功了，哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈。
Men's fragrance, acrid sweat, and chestnut balm for aching joints.
迪克斯特，
Dijkstra.
Ah, those witches' senses. Can't hide a damn thing from you lot.
Same seems to be true for you.
他真的很烦。
Someday, sure. Once I no longer need you.
你在干嘛啦？
Sure this is the right time, Siggy? Triss and I just...
Spare me, Geralt. Witches are stripped of feeling. Not one emotion in that body of yours.
刚刚那个女的叫做特丽斯啊，
And that is?
她在里面有2个主要的女角，一个就是
Dunno.
耶奈弗，
Didn't
然后
count.
还有
30,
特丽斯。
maybe. Give or take a few.
And how many would you say
如果可以的话
remain in
啦
the north?，
我是希望可以跟特丽斯在一起，因为她给我的感觉比较
2000, 3?
比较好
Doing。a population count? Is that it?
No, I'm concerned. In Novigrad they had us. We were here. But who'll save those in Rimba? Banard, Ardcaraig, Gullet. You know damn well that daft bastard Radovid won't rest till he's killed them all. Every last one. Yennefer and Triss included.
Moving as speeches go. Now get to the point. Why are you telling me this?
Because I want you to help me kill Radovid.
哦，讲到重点了。
You that concerned about the mages of the world? Expect me to believe that?
Actually, yes. But not because I'm sensitive or it gives me a heartache, true. To my mind, this systemic persecution is foremost a symptom of a far more serious problem. A madman rules Redania.
星期
I
六，
served Vizimir, Radovid's
星
father.
期六
Was his head of intelligence for more than 2 decades.
还没确定。
Together, we transformed
反正
Redania.
目前就主要就是2款啊，就是巫师3跟 GTA
Any
5
idea
这样
what
子。
made it strong?
那 GTA 5目前我也还没打算就是开放给跟观众一起玩，我可能也还是自己解差事，或者是跟我自己本身的朋友玩。不是我不想跟观众们玩，是我觉得现在如果就开放的话会有点乱，所以可能未来我会创个新帮会，然后 GTA 5我再把帮会贴到粉丝页上面，然后再跟大家说加入我的帮会。我如果要玩的话，我就直接开帮会场，然后随机邀请，有进来的人就一起玩这样子。我觉得这样子会比较好。
Radovid the stern, my ass. Radovid the witless, I'd say. Will you help me, Geralt?
虽然说他刚刚巴拉巴拉巴拉讲了一大堆，我更没听清楚，但是着实感觉到他的愤怒了。
I don't kill kings. Just not a regicide. Rumors to the contrary be damned.
I know. I'm merely asking for your aid in organizing the assassination. Someone else will strike the blow.
Dijkstra. Might not have heard this, though I'd find that hard to believe. But witchers are neutral on principle, so...
Oh, bollocks. That's a convenient excuse you lot try to hide behind every time the temperature rises. It's grown hot, my friend, and it grows hotter still. Pyres burn in every city. For mages great and small, your female friends included. For non-humans, for witchers soon. Is that the North you espouse? The North you're prepared to live in? Silence. Cards close to your chest, I understand. To slay a king, it's not exactly some bloody necker contract. You think on this. Think on what I said. And if you conclude you'd rather change the course of history instead of riding its current to hell, you come find me. At the Passiflora in the garret. I'll be waiting with my mates.
I'll think about it.
So long, Geralt.
所以如果我以后打算去解什么支线的话，就直接去找他就对了。致命阴谋，看一下这个大概要几等？14等，其实也还好。先存档。 我们刚刚啪啪的地方是什么嘞？看一下，呵呵，我就知道东西可以拿。上去看看，然后再从上面跳下来。这一层竟然没有东西可以吃，太令人伤心喽！我之后大概5、6月吧，预告一下，5月中6月的时候，靠腰现在不就6月吗？在7月多8月的时候，会有一款新游戏上市，然后没意外的话，我会去买来玩。看到时候有没有闲钱啊？有的话我就去买来玩。提示1。主角跟动物有关系。提示2，伸张正义。我跳下去了，死掉了。我以为会跳到水里面，然后很帅气的来一个跳水动作。Fuck！ 嗨，又回来了，补个血吧。不吃。一片风平浪静。风平浪静。好，因为呢，其实我明天要早起，所以今天我并不打算开太晚，所以我们先记录，然后我要重新分段。